as strong must be to carry on and forge ahead and crawl into bed, snug as a bug in a fraying rug, unraveling, 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 just like it did the first time. Prehistoric lessons I thought we could learn from our elders, but I guess it's the extinct of our lifetime, twisting words to make them rhyme. But I love you way too much to ever let you go. In spite of all this stuff, you're all that I have ever known. Never let go of me, and I'll not let go of you. I'll do what you want me to, but I alone cannot undo the damage done. I'll take you through another one. I'll try to swear